name is Chef Andres, Executive Chef for the Flatiron Kitchen and Tap House in Davidson, North Carolina. Today I will be showing you two items. One will be a halibut, one will be scallops, and how to properly sear them to end up with an awesome, excellent final product using natural gas. To absorb the moisture from your protein, I prefer to use paper towels. It will give it that even coat, that even sear, that caramelization that you're looking for. This is a nice halibut, and these are some diver scallops. Diver scallops come a little bit more moist than any other protein. The next step is to preheat your pan. By the way, with natural gas, it's a lot faster. So this will be a pretty fast process, pretty quick process. You will heat your pan. You will add oil to your pan to saute. Saute is in a very little amount of oil at a very high heat. This will create that caramelization once your product hits the pan. Next step will be to season your protein, both sides. Salt, I choose kosher salt. A little bit of fresh black pepper. Like I said, once again, on both sides. We are looking to see for a smoking coming out of the oil. This will indicate to you that the pan is ready to be used to sear your protein. As you place your protein in the pan, lay the protein and lay it away from you. This also keeps safety, so it will burn yourself. As you place your protein in the pan, your pan will start losing heat. One of the benefits in using natural gas is that your temperature is gonna go up a lot faster than if you were using any other kind of heat source. As you can see, on the top part of the scallop is getting that nice golden brown. That is the caramelization. If you choose to have it a little bit more toasty, a little bit crispier, you leave it longer. If you like it nice and light and not really crispy, you may turn it over as soon as you would want. In the left-hand pan, we are starting a chutney. It's going to be a grape and raisin chutney with fresh ginger and brown sugar. In the middle pan, we have a blue potato, corn and bacon hash. And on our small stock pot over here, I'm going to be starting a classic cream sauce for our halibut also. For our chutney, we are starting off with red onion, fresh ginger, peppers, green and yellow. There's the white wine. The white wine is nice. Get your hash with some purple potatoes. Make your chutney with some raisins. Some grapes. Parsley. Season your pans, salt and pepper. Natural gas, once again, the recovery time for when your item goes into the pan to when your item is at that temperature where you want it to be is very short. And the flame is evenly surrounding the pan, and it keeps an even heat. Natural gas makes it a faster process than usual. And at this moment, we can put our pot on the bigger flame. When dealing with a cream reduction sauce, you want to bring it to a boil like so, then lowering it to a simmer. It is easy to control that simmer with natural gas ranges. So we will have our focal point be 11 o'clock. if you look at the dial, 11 o'clock is where I'm going to start with my potato, corn, and bacon hash. You'll locate your fish like so. Your scallops. Some of the chutney. A couple of fresh tomatoes for color and texture. Some of that wonderful cream sauce we had reducing. Pan-seared scallops and halibut with a corn and blue potato hash, grape chutney, and a cream reduction.